but it makes your foundation stick to your face like glue, like in the best way possible, glue. What's up guys? Today I'm back with another makeup tutorial. So this one is all about long wearing, matte skin, oil control, no shine kind of makeup that's gonna actually last all through the day, all through the night, till the next morning pretty much. It's like armor for your face. And this one is specifically for my guys and girls out there who have super oily skin, where your skin tends to like slip off your face, wear off really badly through the day, get super oily, like look like a little oil slick. This one's gonna be for you. Obviously I do so many different, you know, makeup tutorials and types of different makeup looks, but this one is specifically for you guys. And I'm so excited to be partnering with Urban Decay on this video because they have some new products as part of their all-nighter like little family. And you guys know this is the OG. This is like the OG setting spray that I think everybody has probably had in their lifetime, or most of us at least. I remember when I was figure skating, this was like the thing. Like, you know what I mean? This was what I had to have when I was competing, when I was working out, when I was sweating, and I really needed, you know, my competition makeup to last and look good while I was skating. Cause you know, there's like cameras that like do close-ups of your face, and you do not want to have your makeup dripping off your face. So this is what I swore by back then. I still swear by it now. It's like always something that rotates in and out of my kit and my collection and everything like that. I always repurchase it because it's such an OG. So bomb. And then we've also got the pollution protection all-nighter setting spray, which you guys have probably seen because this one has been out for a little bit. But the newest members of the fam are the ultra matte all-nighter setting spray, and then also the primer, which this is fire. Okay, so this is the all-nighter face primer long wear foundation grip. Okay, I love that word. This primer, if you struggle with oil producing on your face, this is like heaven sent, okay? This is the only primer that I've tried that really does make your skin so matte, so long wearing, but it feels super soft on skin. It has a actually very hydrating element, which is surprising because, you know, typically when something's matte, it doesn't feel hydrating. So that's what I was so impressed with when I first tried out this this primer. And on top of that, it looks like a little, don't pay attention under my nails because it looks a little crazy under there, but it looks like a lotion and it feels like a lotion when you apply it, but it makes your foundation stick to your face like glue, like in the best way possible, glue. Like it just is not going anywhere through the day. So I just take that all over the face, and since it is a hydrating formula, I don't really have to go in with anything else. Say hi.
Wow.
I'm filming.
Oh, there's people.
No.
Jeez. Okay, wait.
Okay, hold on guys. 1 sec. I need an update from Alyssa, or Pineapple Alyssa, as you guys know.
This is gonna have to pause.
All right, so like I was saying, for that maximum mattified oil control, shine control coverage, what I actually like to do is spray the Ultra Matte All-Nighter under my foundation. So this is just gonna help to really lock everything in, lock it in, and just give it that extra rock strong hold. It almost gives your skin a more tacky feel. So that's what helps that foundation like grip on even more so, make it even more long wearing than it already is. I mean, the products themselves are already gonna do that, but just an extra little oomph, you know? I do like to take just a little bit of this Tatcha serum stick around the under eye area, just because I don't like that part to get too mattified, just because I do have dryness in that area. So I'll just take a little bit of this guy right on the edges there. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyes, but I'll come back for my full foundation routine. Ooh, we got a cute little glitter wing. All right, so then I'm gonna go in with a nice even layer of the Stay Naked foundation. You wanna really make sure to pounce it in. This will actually help your makeup last longer because you're pressing it into the skin rather than like wiping it around, because that's obviously just gonna like kind of move everything around. And once that's all blended out, you wanna go in with a matte concealer. Something that's actually a little bit more on the drier side tends to work well if your skin has that texture that tends to get very greasy and oily through the day. So I love this one from CoverGirl, the TruBlend Undercover Concealer. I'm just gonna go right under the eyes. Bring it down the nose. This is another good tip. You want to let your concealer set just a little bit before you blend it in. That's how you're gonna get the most full coverage with the exact same products that you're using. Let it sit on your face, let it soak up into those little pores, and almost dry up a little bit. Then go in and press it into the skin. Don't wipe, press so that it really gets locked in. So for this next step, you need your sponge super, super, super wet. I just went and like re-wet it. You're gonna take a little bit, like the teeniest, tiniest amount of translucent powder and dip it right under the eyes where you would normally be creasing. And I actually take a second concealer on top of that powder. This one is Kylie Cosmetics Himalaya. It is fire, okay? Especially this color. This color is so good because it has a super pink peachy undertone, as you can see here. And I take that and place it right where my dark circles are. See how it like brightens it up immediately? And you wanna go in and press that into the skin, really work it in. And especially for this step, you do not want to swipe at all because it will start to remove the powder that you have on underneath. But if you do it the correct way and really work this in, you'll see how much better like under eye creasing is. You do not crease, especially with this concealer combo specifically. You do not crease, you cover those dark circles and everything looks nice and bright. And then after that, we're gonna let it sit a little bit while we take some contour from this RCMA palette and really brush that up. And you'll see your base is so soft at this point that anything you apply over top just melts into the skin. And when you really want your makeup to last all day, you want to use a cream product and then set with a powder because that's kind of just gonna like double layer it, lock it in without it looking cakey. So I'm taking a cream blush now. Love this shade. It's really subtle, but this is called Rose Blush from Maybelline. It's their new Cheek Heat. All right, then I'm just gonna set everything down and really press it into the skin with the All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. And if you take it down the nose, like the closer you take it towards the middle of the nose, the more snatched your nose is gonna be. All right, so after that, I'm gonna add on some bronzer with a powder foundation. So this is the BareMinerals Bare Pro foundation. And I actually use the shade Hazelnut with my Sigma Roxette brush for bronzer. So I'm gonna start over here, warm up the face. And we're just gonna do up the cheeks a little bit with this Charlotte Tilbury blush. This is in the shade Ecstasy, but it's actually a really pretty peachy blush. You go like this, and then you pop it in the middle, like, pop. And finally, I'm gonna pop on my very well-loved Maybelline MasterChrome highlight with, again, my Roxette Sigma brush for highlighting. All right, and then to set all that down, again, I'm gonna go in with the Ultra Matte All Nighter Setting Spray. So this formula basically combines that like oil control, shine control with a super matte finish. So just keeps everything locked up and locked in. Ooh, that lipstick's cute. That was Charlotte Tilbury, Angel Alessandra. All right, guys, boom. So there we have it, matte skin, full coverage, oil-free, shine-free, long-lasting makeup. Hopefully you guys like this video. And thank you again to Urban Decay for working with me. I mean, honestly, such an honor to work with a brand that I've literally been using for my entire makeup journey, even before I was doing YouTube while I was still skating. So it's really cool to be able to work with brands like that I've literally always used. So I love you guys so much. Remember, you are beautiful inside and out. Don't forget to subscribe, turn those notifications on. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Maybe I'll do a surprise giveaway in this video. I don't know. Let's do a surprise giveaway. So comment down below to win a entire box of, actually, you know what? Okay, here we go. My video, or My giveaway today is actually gonna be, I'm gonna do a $500 gift card to Sephora. Okay, to start off 2020 right. So I'll have all the details and everything on how to enter down in the comment section or in the description box. So check that out. Love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me and helping me to live out my dream. And I will see you in my next video.
Guys, I just woke up. I just wanted to show you really quick. Literally, that was the first thing I thought of. I fell asleep with my makeup on. I swear, I literally was not even planning this. Look at my lips. Like, this is low-key embarrassing. I had put on a red lip, or like a deep lip, because I filmed a second video after the one you saw. But I just wanted to show you my foundation. Still looks so bomb somehow, and this is just proof of this routine. Okay, like literally no part of my foundation is even worn off, and I literally just had a full night's sleep and just woke up. So again, I literally wasn't even planning to do this. This wasn't the game plan to actually fall asleep in it, but I feel like it's a good indication to truly how long lasting this routine is. All right, so bye. I'm gonna go take my makeup off.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It resonates, you know what I mean? It resonates.